Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to Watchbox, and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, tmosso@thewatchbox.com. It's in the description below. Your purchase and pricing email question line for buying this or any watch you see on any Watchbox platform. Please reach out to me directly. Email tmosso@thewatchbox.com. Today, we're discussing the IWC Mark 18 Top Gun. This is the 3269-01 in black ceramic, 41 millimeters. This is a 2019 model year launch that is 50.4 millimeters from lug tip to lug tip, and it has a 20 millimeter spacing between the lugs, two ways to measure the thickness, with the NATO strap in place, in which case it's 14.4 millimeters, and then on a conventional strap, the case by itself is 11.6 millimeters thick. The watch is impressive. As you can see, it is the Mark style, as we've known it since the late 1940s, one of the original IWC pilot designs and part of the two pillars of IWC manufacturing. One pillar is the Portugueser dress watch, the other pillar is the pilot's watch line. So if you're going to buy an IWC, buy a pilot or buy a Portugueser. That's the heart and soul of the company. Now we're going to throw this watch on my wrist, and it's a little bit difficult to show how this watch would look, since I do have to hold it in place, and NATO straps only ever fit right once you've strapped them down and sized them. But the watch has a broader stance when it is on the NATO strap. It's also thicker because the NATO runs underneath the caseback. But since the watch is almost entirely titanium, textile, sapphire, and ceramic, it is super light on the wrist. It wears much lighter. Eyes closed, I would suspect a smaller timepiece. And I would say, as it is here, you could put it on a wrist as small as 14 centimeters circumference, maybe even a little bit smaller on a conventional strap. Surprisingly, especially without the strap, it's going to be low enough to fit underneath the dress cuff. Though the watch is large and stark, it is quite flat. You can see it's a wonderful IWC NATO style strap. We have titanium hardware, a titanium pin buckle. You could see that it is a black textile on the top with a calfskin on the bottom, so it's nice and supple against the wrist. It is a brand new IWC factory strap, and as you can see, it's a NATO, but it uses a pin buckle rather than the gooseneck cinching system that conventionally sizes NATOs, so it's not going to wear quite as thick on the wrist as if you had an entire loop through and a lock on the bottom. Now, taking a look at the case back, this is part of the Top Gun collection. So this is the IWC Mark 18 Top Gun, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove the NATO strap so you can get the full benefit of the case back. By the way, note the use of gusseting on the strap to prevent gouging. Very impressive. This is a high-grade NATO, far better than what you get from the aftermarket. NATOs done by the factory are always a treat, whether it's Omega, IWC, or others. Now, of course, the Top Gun logo on the reverse side is not that of the U.S. Navy Fighter Weapons School. This is actually the logo of the movie. So if you're a fan of the movie, and pretty much anyone who's buying a watch called Top Gun probably is, you're going to be happy to know that this does have some rooting in history. It is just the Hollywood variety rather than the DoD. Now, the timepiece does feature a titanium caseback, which is nice because it's hypoallergenic, and you can see 6-bar water resistant. It is that, and it does have a screw-down crown. What it also has is a soft iron inner cage, a little bit like a Rolex Milgauss. So you wind up with a highly anti-magnetic watch that is also swimmably water resistant, that is also resistant to explosive decompression in a cockpit, as the seals as well as the sapphire are secured against displacement if you are in an aircraft cabin or cockpit that explosively decompresses. I can't speak to your state at that point, but your watch will be okay. It's a Mark style case, as you can see. Handsome, simple, thin, blended lugs, and simple, no-nonsense IWC motto-style crown says Probus Scafusia, a good solid watch made in Schaffhausen, which is the German-Swiss city where IWC is located and has been since 1868. Now you can see the dial is instrument style, as the Marks tend to be. The watch has a no-nonsense Arabic numeral on matte black, white on black, high contrast printing, and then the Top Gun is in red to give it a little bit of color. And you can see that there's a monotone date disc, black on black, so it's less obtrusive and it takes the place of one of the numerals. Broadsword style hands, white lacquered lancet style counterweighted seconds hand. Let's do a Lume Shot here. And you can see the four corners are lit, as are the hour and minute hands. All of that propelled internally by the IWC caliber 32110. This is a IWC automatic with a 3-day power reserve, hacking or stop seconds, a quick set date, a 28,800 vibration per hour beat rate, And all this pivoting on 21 jewels. It's also adjusted in 5 positions, which is impressive because 5-position adjustment generally is the standard for high horology watches as well as chronometers. So this is a nice watch to have in every regard. It looks good and it's durable on the outside, but it's also finely tuned and mechanically capable on the inside. Now about ceramic. Ceramic is exceptionally resistant to scratches. If you're not the type to shatter or scratch or chip a sapphire, you're probably never going to put a mark on a ceramic case. The other nice thing is buying pre-owned ceramic, you know for a fact the watch has never been refinished. So if you're like me and you abhor scratches and refinishing at the same time, this is going to be the watch for you. Reach out to Team Mosso at thewatchbox.com for purchase and pricing details.